वेल आप सभी को दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आई होप दैट यू गेट टू सेलिब्रेट दिवाली योर वे विद योर लव्ड वंस and spread lots and lots of happiness. My favorite Diwali memory, I think it has to be making rangolis with my sister. And now she lives in Chandigarh, so I really miss her when we're not in the same city during the festive season. This year I'm going to be in Chandigarh with her, and I'm excited to be making a rangoli over there. But I guess that was just a beautiful time because sisters, they share a special bond. I think I've been making the Diwali rangoli at our house since I was probably like a kid. Like probably must have been like 9 or 10 when I started. So everyone knows, and I'm very emotional about it. Like I do not allow anyone to come close to it till it's done. Happiness is like a butterfly. If you chase it, it's going to fly away. So it's always there. You just have to appreciate it when you feel it.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speakeasy. Very happy Diwali to you. दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. ये Zoom Speakeasy का of course दिवाली स्पेशल एपिसोड है और मेरी गेस्ट उतनी ही खास है. Diwali is about lighting up lights, being happy, celebrating, being with family, and she is such a sparkle in everyone's life. खुश रहती है, खुशियाँ फैलाती है और बहुत ही प्यारी. I'm talking about the beautiful Manishi Chiller. Thank you for doing this.
Hello, thank you for having me.
हमारा दिवाली का कनेक्ट है.
हाँ.
हम हमेशा दिवाली साथ मनाते हैं.
Yeah.
It's connected. We're connected. But like I said, it is about lighting up lives, and I feel like in our lives, we have so much going on. But I've always seen you from the time that you joined being so positive about the space that you're in. It's a place that we can be insecure about. But I think you found that balance where you are. You're very confident, and I feel that kind of reflects. Tell me if my assumption is right.
I'm actually quite happy that you feel that way.
It's true, isn't it?
Well, see, you've seen my journey from much before I was Miss World, and
Yeah.
I think the fact that I'm so close to my family, so they somewhere keep me very grounded, and the fact that I've had a journey beyond what I'm just doing right now. So I've learned that life is about many things, and when you look at life in that way, and when you look at life having many facets, so automatically I think that insecurity just goes down.
Yeah.
It's not like you want to put all your eggs in one basket.
True.
So maybe that's something that I've always been consciously practicing.
You make a lot of people happy.
Thank you.
Who makes you really happy?
Oh,
Or what? Or
so
who?
many things make me happy,
Let's hear them.
Working makes me happy. Working with good people makes me happy. I love my team. I think I always look forward to meeting them.
Yeah.
My family makes me happy. I have so many friends that make me happy. You make me happy. I always have fun talking to you. But I also feel like happiness is a certain perception. You need to kind of find what drives your happiness in a certain way. And I don't put too much pressure on trying to feel happy all the time. And I guess that's also the key here. I've learned that happiness is like a butterfly. If you chase it, it's going to fly away. So it's always there. You just have to appreciate it when you feel it.
Always wise. And so well put. Diwali is the time that we love. And like you said, we always keep celebrating Diwali together. Yeah. You mentioned your family, and of course, they've been so supportive. But I think this is the time that we have to be with them. Yeah. Around them, yaar, wo jo chehel pehel hoti hai ghar mein, mithaiya ban rahi hai, you have the best food. Tell me how the Schiller residence looks in Diwali, and what is एक पर्टिकुलर जो एक चीज़ है जो आप लोग करते हैं. हर किसी का ना एक अपना अपना रिचुअल होता है.
तो हमारी जो दिवाली है वो कुछ हफ्ते पहले शुरू हो जाती है, स्टार्टिंग विद decluttering, cleaning. So our mother is like, she assigns roles to all of us, and it is chaos. And then suddenly everything is calm on the day of Diwali because the house looks sparkling clean. We've gone through that whole phase of sorting things out. Everyone has their own department. What is your department? आपको तो ये पता है. My department is नहीं
रंगोली also.
But I think cleaning or God.
हाइट का इस्तेमाल लोग करते हैं. आप.
Everyone's tall in my family actually. But no, so we all have to clean our own rooms and our own spaces that way. But abhi mostly mom and my sister are heading like the cleaning department and the decluttering. ये नहीं चाहिए, ये change करना है. All of that, and I look after how everything looks.
The aesthetics, of course.
Yeah.
But you're also very good at it. जिनको पता नहीं है, you are kind of a pro now at Rangoli. Since
I do enjoy making. Like, I think I've been making the Diwali Rangoli at our house since I was probably like, as a kid. Like, probably must have been like 9 or 10 when I started. So everyone knows, and I'm very emotional about it. Like, I do not allow anyone to come close to it till it's done.
yeah.
Yeah, and there's a different Rangoli for like Choti Diwali, phir Badi Diwali, and you know, there's a
Hardcore.
so earlier, like now, obviously, I only get like a few days. So I try to make the most of those few days. But earlier, there used to be a proper schedule and एक पूरा plan बनाती थी. फिर मैं अपनी sister से approve कराती थी. What do you think? Which rangoli should we, attempt this time? So it's fun. It's like a time when everyone just gets together to do one thing, and it's a nice time to bond.
100% is. And also along with more memories and moments like this and people, food is always the best way to bond. And Diwali mein, there is no end to the kind of dishes that we can have. Tell me something that is very specific in your family that you absolutely love, जो आपको आपकी माँ बनाती है या आप देखते आए आपकी दादी बनाती थी या कुछ भी.
तो हमारे घर पे हलवा इज़ दैट डिश विच इज़ मेड फॉर एवरी सेलिब्रेशन. तो अलग अलग चीज़ों का हलवा बनता है, या फिर यूजली तो वेडिंग्स में होता है, कई बार फेस्टिव सीजन में भी निकलता है कसार. सो आई थिंक दोज आर द टू थिंग्स दैट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. लॉट्स ऑफ sugar, lots of ghee, but it's worth it. It's beautiful.
It's
My
Diwali.
mother makes the best atte ka halwa.
Oh, really?
Simple. It's very good. Mom also makes very good kheer.
Really?
So I think
Is there a trick to it? Like, have you observed?
I don't know. She's like this magician. Somehow, when she's in the kitchen, you follow the same recipe, but her food just tastes different. I feel that's a little mother thing that
Yeah.
they have.
माँ का प्यार भी तो.
They just know what their kids will like.
That is true. But you also, I think, are okay with some dishes, isn't it? The last time that I spoke to you, tell me what else have you mastered?
I actually recently mastered the Thai curry. So I made a green Thai curry.
I want to see how you mastered it. Tell us what is your style of doing it?
What is my style of doing it? Well, I started trying to follow the authentic recipe.
Sure.
And then I realized that I don't think I have access to all the ingredients right now. So I quickly just ordered whatever I could find, improvised a little. And yeah, it's not very complicated. I realized that the idea of these multiple steps in putting so many ingredients together might feel complicated, but it's good. I enjoyed it.
I love Thai curry, so you now have to make.
I'm definitely going to make some Thai curry for you.
Fine, I've self-invited myself. But along with all of that, some people have traditions of playing cards, some don't. Some have their own tradition of playing like some games and antakshari. Tell me, what are the other traditions that happen around Diwali to keep the party going, to keep the the vibe going?
Well, cards we don't play. I don't play actually because I'm really bad at it, and I try not to do things that I'm bad at.
But
I'm a sore loser.
But also it's a good thing, isn't it? मतलब अगर बुरे हो और फिर पैसे भी जाए ऐसा कभी नहीं करना.
No, we play Jenga. We do like other things. Board games are a big thing. I love doing like games night with my family. I have like this whole cupboard filled with board games.
Love it.
But I think for us, Diwali is a lot about like sitting together. We do a puja at home. So that's important. Once the puja is done, of course, we go meet our friends, family friends, neighbors. So it's also taking that opportunity because everyone's living such a busy life. Mom, dad are working now. Their kids are working as well. So it's that time to actually be able to go meet and connect with people.
Yeah, 100%. But you also do a little bit of filmy Diwali parties, the Bollywood Bila Diwali parties. Tell me how different that was for you in the beginning, and now, of course, we're used to it.
I think when I started, initially, I was 20 years old. My confidence was like way up. I don't think I thought much about it. Of course, it's a new world. It's very different from where I grew up. But I feel like I've never let that overwhelm me. I mean, it's always fun to meet older acquaintances or people you worked with or people you are going to work with. It's a good time to connect and everyone's just... And the good thing is, whenever you meet someone from the film industry, mostly you start talking about work. But I guess Diwali parties are that time when everyone's just having fun.
Yeah, कि अब काम की बातें मत करो.
Yeah, no one actually talks about work.
Yeah, absolutely, 100%. It's also a fun time, right?
Yeah.
To just hang out with colleagues. दिवाली की और बहुत सारी फन चीज़ें हैं, उनमें से गिफ्टिंग बहुत बड़ा एक हिस्सा है. We all love gifts. If you're saying no, you're lying. We know we all love gifts. And I think Diwali में ना बहुत families के लिए we think about कि क्या दे. You're always confused. What is it that will work? I think you look stunning, by the way. And I love the way you accessorize. Look at that necklace.
Love it.
Absolutely. I think along with the fun parts of Diwali, dressing up तो है ही, और gifting is a very important part of Diwali as well. We're looking forward to कि क्या किसको क्या gift दे, क्या सही gift होगा, है ना? And I know the kind of person you are who loves giving things to people and all of that. So I want to know what your gifting ideas are this time. आपका सबसे special gift कौन सा था that you've received? It can be over the years and in special occasions.
Oh, I've received so many special gifts, but recently a friend of mine, she's been sending me books, and we keep discussing shows, movies, and books that the others should watch.
Sure.
And for some reason, I skipped the whole Jeffrey Archer phase growing up. So now she keeps sending me one book, and she says, "You have to finish it. Then tell me what you think." So right now, I think those are very sweet gifts because I don't even know when I'm going to receive it. So there's a package that comes home.
So cute.
And then my dad sends me a picture, there's a package for you. And I'll be like, wait a minute, I didn't order this. And then I see Jeffrey Archer. I'm like, I know exactly who sent it. So I think that's sweet. That's quite thoughtful.
Yeah.
I think that's recently those are the special gifts that I've been receiving.
Are you all prepped with your Diwali gifts? Do you know what you're planning to give home and all of that?
I do.
Really? I want to know.
Well, I just saw the Mriganka collection by Tanishq, and I know exactly which necklace I'm going to give my mom.
Really?
She loves jewelry, and I know this is something that she'll absolutely love. I love the fact that it's so fresh. It's a new take on festive jewelry, and well, mom's a modern woman, and I like the fact that it just blends tradition into imagination, and it's about this celestial world. I really want her to have something different, and I love the collection.
I love that. I also want to know, what are your favorite kind of jewelry? I love that you've accessorized in this way, but it's also not too much. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
You've always been very understated, yet, and you make sure that it goes with the outfit and not kind of dripping in it and all of that. So I want to know how you're planning to dress up usually, tips to people who want to dress up for Diwali. And then, of course, your favorite accessories in jewelry and all of that.
Well, I believe that jewelry is obviously a big part of your look when you put it together, and I absolutely love it. But I also feel that when you go to an occasion, people want to see you. So everything that you do, from the clothes you wear to the jewelry, it should all complement you. It shouldn't overwhelm. And that's what I always do. Even when I was at the Miss World stage, I told everyone, I said, I want them to see me. I don't want anything that I'm wearing to overwhelm in any manner. And I guess that's I love what I'm wearing today. It talks about what the collection truly stands for, but at the same time, it just blends with who I am as a person and doesn't overwhelm in any manner. So that's the way I make my choices.
100%. As children, we have very specific, very, very cute memories. I want to know, describe to me as a child your favorite Diwali memory.
My favorite Diwali memory, I think it has to be making rangolis with my sister. And now she lives in Chandigarh, so I really miss her when we're not in the same city during the festive season. This year I'm going to be in Chandigarh with her, and I'm excited to be making a rangoli over there. But I guess that was just a beautiful time because sisters, they share a special bond, and when we would be discussing things, it was just like one common thing that we'd both do, and we'd feel so proud after we'd finish everything. We'd put all the diyas around it and the flowers, and it was just such a nice feeling to bond over rangolis.
100%. I have a sibling and a sister, and I think same. You kind of, those memories that you create when during Diwali are always special. A ritual has to be done.
Okay.
You have to.
I love
Kaju Katli.
Kaju Katli. Happy
Diwali. There you do.
Me.
I'll have you. Of course.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you so much. I knew you like Kaju Katli. So I'm like, we have to get Diwali ritual.
This is, I think, my first Kaju Katli in a very long time.
Diwali ke time mein to
Not because I'm avoiding sugar, but for some reason after a while. Yeah.
I'm glad. I'm glad because, like I said, you spread happiness and you deserve to be happy, and we're cheering for you always.
Thank you.
Very, very happy Diwali. I hope you have wonderful Diwali, and very happy Diwali to everybody. But a message for everybody who's watching that you'd like to give on Diwali to that?
Well, आप सभी को दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. I hope that you get to celebrate Diwali your way with your loved ones and spread lots and lots of happiness.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.